Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make fire alarm plan for an office. The same office I created other two drawings, ceiling and lighting layout and then power layout. The same office now I'm going to make fire alarm plan for Dubai Civil Defense or anywhere in UAE. We have a typical method for fire alarm everywhere in UAE. But this one I'm doing for Dubai Civil Defense and for the building management aspect tower business bay Dubai. So here I created one smoke detector. As per Dubai Civil Defense, the smoke detector, all detectors color should be red, but here I am using green just to make clear, because if I keep red in video it's not visible. So let me keep it green only. Scale down 0.5. This size it should be approximate, you can keep 30 centimeter or something. Okay, this size is okay. Let me make it a little bit bigger. 1.1 more. Let's see, 1.1. Okay, this is smoke detector. Another one we need here, heat detector. This is for pantry. All pantry or kitchen we have to keep heat detector. For example, this is pantry, you can keep here heat detector. Other all you need smoke detector. Let's start replacing. Try to keep it in the center of the room, so if someone smoke here or if any heat there, so it will detect. If you have emergency light, emergency layout plan, then emergency light you can keep near the door, but in case of smoke detector you try to keep in the center. So you can keep one smoke detector in each partition. This I'm going to delete, and then this is the open area. Keep it as I told you in the center. This one is enough in this area. It's maximum 70 and something 30 square meter only. You can keep one here and one here, one here and one here. That's it. It's enough. Here if you want to keep two, you can keep two, but I will recommend one only. It's enough for as per DCD. For 30 square meter I will keep here also one smoke detector and here also one. Fine. Now start looping. Make polyline or line. This line also should be red, but here I am going to keep like I can keep some clear color. Okay, this is also fine. So make a fillet here, enter or enter something 200. This drawing is for Dubai Civil Defense. You can look like this. You can start from one side, fillet, match. This was white, so keep it white. So like this, like this, like this. Fillet, fillet. Even you can keep here something like this. Another way. If you keep like that, then also no problem. Loop with this one. So this open area I want one or two speakers also in case of emergency. So there will be speaker So just write down here P small S capital. Make it little bigger. Like it's enough. You can keep one speaker in this area and one speaker for this area, and then loop it also with same. Sorry, we forget this one. So you can loop like this, then one wire will come here. We can loop with this. Okay, now match this color to everywhere. Here also fill it. Now the important thing is we have to connect with existing building system. How to connect with existing building system? First of all, we need FACP, Fire Alarm Control Panel. So all commercial areas in Dubai, UAE, we need FACP. But if we have a residential area, any apartment, so we don't need to keep fire alarm control panel. But in case we have any commercial area like shop, office, cafeteria, restaurant, we must need uh, fire alarm control panel. So it means the simply we can say all commercial areas we required fire alarm control panel. Okay, so fire alarm control panel, so our looping will go to fire alarm control panel, and from there we need IFU interface unit, from the FACP to interface unit, and from interface unit it will go to existing building system. So how we can show with that? So you can make a same like DB even. This is FACP. I already created one model, block FACP. This also color should be red. I am keeping this. I'm using this color just to make it clear. So from here you can take another loop. This will go to FACP. So all our conduit, all our smoke detectors conducting. So all our, so here all our smoke detectors wire is going to FACP. From FACP we need another interface unit. So we can show it here like something like this, and you can make even half hatch, does not matter, any shape. If you want proper blocks, that also I can show you in next videos. So this is continue. If you see here, our wire is coming in FACP, and from FACP it's coming to IFU. We can give it name IFU interface unit. Another name we can say module also. So IF, I will give it name IFU. This is IFU, and from IFU, okay, this is not leader. Let me make a Q leader to mark it. Okay, 50 or 100. Okay, this is our IFU module. So everywhere in all commercial areas you have to follow this same method. All smoke detectors looping go to FACP, and from FACP to IFU there is this is called module, and from here you can write down also connected to existing building system, connected to existing building system. This you have to write down, make it smaller. uh, Existing building system. Okay, you can write like this. Another thing we need here, that is 247 DCD 247, that also required anywhere in Dubai or UAE. So we need another module, another system, that is called, we need another system, it's called 247. This also you have to mark it, and you can give it name DCD Dubai Civil Defense 247 247 DCD 247. You can write like this. Okay. So for fire alarm, what are the blocks we used? Smoke detector, speaker, heat detector, FACP, and IFU interface unit, and then DCD 247. This is required for all commercial areas in Dubai. Okay guys, that's it. This is called fire alarm plan. So you can rename here proposed fire alarm plan. Here also proposed fire alarm plan.